In the last video we have seen what is analytics. Today we are going to study the simple definition of analytics. The use of statistical and quantitative techniques on large volumes of data to discover meaningful patterns and rules.
I never heard of these words statistical and quantitative techniques before. Can you explain it to me?
Sure, let me make it simple for you. Imagine you have a big box of toys and you want to learn interesting things about them. Statistical techniques are special ways to look at and understand your toys better. It's like playing detective with your toys to find out cool facts and patterns. Here are simple examples. Averages, mean. Imagine you have 5 toy cars with different speeds: 3 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour, 7 miles per hour, 3 miles per hour, and 2 miles per hour. You add up all the speeds, 35732 is equal to 20, and then divide by the number of cars, 5, to find the average speed. 20 divided by 5 equals 4 mph. Explanation: an average helps you know the typical speed of your toy cars. It's like finding the middle speed that most of your cars have. Finding patterns. You look at your collection of blocks and notice that most of them are red, while only a few are blue. Explanation: finding patterns helps you see common things about your toys. It tells you what color or type you have the most. Median. You line up your toy cars by length: 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, and 7 inches. The car in the middle, 5 inches, is the median. Explanation: the median is the middle toy when you line them up from shortest to longest. It's like finding the toy that's right in the center. Mode. You have marbles in different colors: red, blue, green, and blue. The color that appears most often is blue. Explanation: the mode is the color or type that shows up the most among your toys.
Statistical techniques are like using fun detective tools to learn cool facts about your toys. You find out things like the average speed of your toy cars, which color block you have the most, and which toy is in the middle when lined up. It helps you understand your toys better and play with them in smarter ways.